Hello, welcome to my channel. Following my other samosas recipe, there was a viewer that requesting for the potato samosas, and while I'm at it today, I am going to show you exactly how it's done. The ingredients are, I have 5 medium-sized potatoes sliced in a chips pattern and rinsed out, and I've got half a onion cut, and then for the garnishing I have some fresh dhania, spring onions, some mint and a chillie, green chillie. To braise I have a 1/4 cup of oil. Your curry must never ever be very oily. And then I have half a teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of hurdee and a teaspoonful of salt per taste. Okay, my pot is hot. I'm using my 1/4 cup of oil. I'm going to put in my jeera. And then my hurdee. Then I'm going to throw in all my potatoes. And give it a stir. I'm going to add in my salt, and then I'll allow this potato to actually fry before adding water to soften the potato. Okay, now my potatoes are fried out. Let's see, it's touching to the bottom. And gradually I add a cup of water and allow it to boil till it's soft.
How long that will take?
Maybe another 15 minutes, but we'll keep checking because the potatoes have to actually get very soft. Okay, now my water is reduced and the potatoes are gone quite soft. It's like a mash, but you can leave those potatoes like little big in piece. Don't mash it too much and it will become mashed potatoes. So this is how you leave your potato. From this point I'm going to put my stove off and allow this potatoes to cool, and thereafter I'm going to garnish it with my cut onions and with all my greens and chilies, and I'm going to start to full my samosa. This amount will actually give you 1.5 dozen almost. When fulling, don't full your pocket too much because these are potatoes, and you can make other various types of samosa in the same way, like adding a little bit of peas, or if you like some mushroom. You can also view the fulling of the samosa in a previous recipe, and happy samosa eating. Thank you all very much.